guys, my name is I am from Georgia, and now I am in Batumi in Chorohi River. So this is beautiful nature. Unfortunately now it's not green color around like it's usual in summer, but it's a winter time, still beautiful. And I'm gonna show you guys just short video about the camping on the shore, on the river shore. And first what you need to do is just collect the wood and make some fire and make some nice food, and so we need to just start it now. So guys, so camping just alone, just yourself is nothing. So if you need a good camping, you need friends with you. So the best camping is just spend time with your friends and with nice fire, nice food and everything. So Zura is gonna be my friend here today, my supporter, and all I need to do, we need to make some nice Georgian style camping with nice food, and all the thing we are gonna have a fun here. So let's Zura take us some wood. I think we need to break it down with little pieces, yeah? Guys, this is wooden stick, especially made for starting a fire. It has very nice smell. It comes from pine trees, and when pine trees die and break down into the ground, into the soil, it's going some kind of chemical process, and it collects highly flammable liquid which is inside the wood, and we usually use it for fire. So it's just very easy and nice way to start up the fire. So guys, this is a very old Georgian traditional ancient dish. It's called etsi. It's made of clay. Usually it is very old and traditional stuff, very interesting, which is not rare even in modern time. So many people use it for camping, even in the families. So in open fire, if you need to make some food for camping, you need to heat it up first. So like this, you need to just wait a little bit until it's quite hot, and afterwards we can start roasting or cooking everything. So guys, our dish is very hot already, and it's ready to start making the food. So we are going to make the pizza by this ancient time method. So it's already ready to start. So this is a just common dough. So my friend Zura made it at home. He has a good cooking skills, and he is going to make the pizza. So we need to add some oil. So we need these things: tomato pasta, salt, and pepper. We need to mix it up, all this in one dish. Get some fresh water. Mix it to make good and nice consistency with this magical mixture. Put all these ingredients surface on the dough. This pasta should be not too soft, not too liquid, not too dry, just normal.
Juri, jest kadry majcar.
No problem.
Zeus.
So now our fire is getting slower. See, just rocks are cracking, and charcoal is already proper to cover all this dish under of the charcoal. So this is how it should to be done. So let's check it, what is happening here. Where is our pizza? Yeah, it's cooking very well, but it needs a little bit longer time, I think. Let's cover it again. Yeah, this beer is really good, but it's Corona. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Fortunately, we are together on our camping area. Nice.
Nice.
How is it? Is it tasty? May I try? So if you survive, I will try it. Let's try it.